2015 Chevy Camaro. He came all the way from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's about a 3.5-hour drive. I'm mad at him because he didn't bring me no beaver nuggets from Buc-ee's, but it's okay. We'll let him slide. Anyways, so this Camaro, his friend has a Skyline. He got adapters and we put the Skyline wheels on it. You see him? He put Skyline wheels right there, okay? It gets better. Then there's 4 converters, the usual stuff there and there, okay? Usual H-pipe there. Usual resonators there. Then HKS mufflers there, and we installed them on a Camaro. Because, you know, why not? That's what we do here. Anything and everything, we can make it fit. If there's space, we'll make it fit. So there are 2 HKS mufflers. Yeah, I had a muffler delete on it before right there. Those 2 pipes right there. There they are. HKS mufflers on a Camaro. V6. Let's see how she sounds like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So if you're in the area, come say hi. That sounds good. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? Yes? They approve. All the way from Pigeon Forge to Sevierville. Here's sound decibels. 106. Again. Yeah, you gotta take that rev limiter off. Put it in neutral. Let's see if it stops the rev limiter. Try it. Not bad. Go ahead and back it up. Patrick. And Rick and Morty. HKS mufflers. Everything else is stock and Skyline wheels. Cool. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro with HKS muffler swap. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. He's gonna bring it back when it shoots flames. He's gonna bring his Skyline back too. That'll be really fun. For round 2 because he went got flamethrower kit on it.